Welcome once again to Chemistry Lab. In this video, we are going to show you how to evaluate expressions. These expressions given to us are in fraction form. So let's start our lesson. Here we have if x is equal to 6 and y is equals 10. Now, in such expressions, we do something called substitution. So we are going to be seeing something to do with substitution, which means that where there is a variable, we are going to put the equivalence to that variable. Now y is 10. So we will write 10 power 2 minus 20 out of x is given to us as 6, then minus y. 6 minus y, which is 10. So in this case, we are having an expression. Yes, this is a plus. So we are going to take x plus y. So this is 6 plus 10. Then this is going to be equal to 10 squared is 100 minus 20 divided by 6 plus 10, which is 16. So our next step is to get 100 minus 20, which is 80, and 80 divided by 16. When we divide 80 and 16, our final answer is going to be 5, because 16 times 5, we get 80. Now, this is going to be our correct answer. So, in the comment section, I want you to go there and put your comment, answer this question and put your comment. 6x out of x minus 3. Remember that this x is the same as this one. 6x divided by x minus 3. See you in the next